Tecno Camon 30S full specifications. The device features Android version 14 and boasts a slim profile with a thickness of just 7.6 millimeters, making it both sleek and lightweight. It is equipped with an in-display fingerprint sensor, enhancing security and providing a modern user experience. The display of the device is a large 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, providing a good visual experience. However, the pixel density is relatively low at 393 pixels per inch, resulting in a poorer image quality. The screen is capable of reaching a high brightness of 1300 nits with HBM technology and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Additionally, the display features a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for enhanced visual fluidity. The camera setup on this device includes a 50-megapixel plus 2-megapixel triple rear camera with optical image stabilization (OIS), providing an average photography experience. Additionally, it features a 13-megapixel front camera for capturing selfies and video calls. The MediaTek Helio G100 chipset with a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor provides average performance. With 6 GB of RAM, it offers smooth multitasking, while the 128 GB inbuilt memory is small compared to other devices in the market. However, the dedicated memory card slot allows for additional storage expansion, providing flexibility for users who require more space. The connectivity options for this device include 4G network support for high-speed mobile data. It also features Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC for wireless communication and data transfer. The USB-C v2.0 port allows for fast charging and data transfer between the device and other compatible devices. Additionally, it includes an IR blaster for controlling infrared devices such as TVs and air conditioners. The 5,000 mAh battery offers an average level of power, while the 33-watt fast charging capability ensures quick recharging. Additionally, the reverse charging feature allows the battery to be used to charge other devices, providing added convenience and versatility.